Hello guys, welcome back to the R6 series. Pow! I noticed that this is actually louder than I thought it was. So I do apologize. But yeah, today finally what we've been waiting for came in. The sides COWL, I think that's what it's called. That was the insect. But yeah, my COWLs came in and I'll be doing the installation today. You gotta make them kids happy, eh? You're one star kid. But yeah, so we are gonna, oh shit, it's gonna turn green. I keep getting distracted, but look at this side. I don't know if you can see it. This side is gone. Flew off on the highway and it broke out. So so I just left it, you know. So the funny thing is that it is actually been hot right there, you know. The heat escapes. It hit my legs if I'm not wearing my leather pants, but it's not that bad. It's not as bad as it seems, but definitely need that replaced, or you know, need it fixed. But yeah, so we're gonna be doing that today. I'm so glad for it. And I also got carbon fiber for it. I didn't get like the regular one OEM. I got a carbon fiber. I want to see how it looks too. I took a sneak peek though, but I'll show you guys how it looks like, and let's see how it looks like on the bike too. Oh, it's gonna be a fun install. Eventually, maybe, you know, we're gonna make this carbon fiber as well, because I have a color I'm planning to go for. Carbon fiber and carbon fiber and white and blue. It's just a rough sketch in my head right now. One day I'll be able to carry it out, you know, the whole scheme I have in my head. I feel like it's gonna look nice, but till then we're gonna be till then we're gonna be slowly turning. Oh, look at that bike. Look at that bike. Screws on. Oh, that's a cool one. Daddy, that's for you? Oh, that's for the kid. Might be for the kid. So slowly we'll turn the bike to what the picture I have in my head. You know, I'm sketching it out actually. So if I get it, I'll show you guys what I was planning. It's gonna be a long process, you know, to get it modified to that path. But yeah, you guys will see what I'm looking for. R6, baby. I keep hitting neutral. I keep hitting neutral. I don't know. Oh, fucking hell. Alright guys, see you in the installation. Boom. This is how it looks in the sun. Oof, it is glittering. Oh, wow. Holy. Whoa, that's gonna look good. Let's get straight to installation. We gotta take the seat off, you know, take that off. And yeah, let's get to it. And I'm pretty sure I'm missing a bolt as well, so I'm gonna take this one off and we'll go from there. So the way it works is this little thing right here goes in there, and this one, I thought this was for the hole over here, but it goes in here, and then the third one, that's the slot, goes here, and then you have your bolts. So this is a perfect fit. you look at it one more time, the other side is fixed or it's done, and we're gonna do this side. Same thing. There's a piece that is meant to be here, like a foam. So I don't know how I can find that, but same thing. This goes on the first. This goes on the first spot. That spot. This goes on here with the groove. It sits on that, and this one goes here, and you have your bolts.